How to use iPad Sidecar to extend your Mac display. Are you curious about how to transform your iPad into a second display for your Mac? This feature, known as Sidecar, is a fantastic way to boost your productivity. Let's break down how to set it up and make the most of it. First, you need to ensure that both your Mac and iPad support Sidecar. Check that they are running compatible versions of macOS and iPadOS. You will also need to sign into both devices using the same Apple identification. Make sure Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and handoff are enabled on both devices. Handoff allows for smooth transitions between your Apple devices. For wireless use, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network and keep them within about 10 meters or 30 feet of each other. Next, you can connect your iPad to your Mac. You have two options here, a wireless connection or a wired one using a USB-C or Lightning cable. A wired connection often provides a more stable experience and reduces any lag. Now let's enable Sidecar on your Mac. If you are using macOS Ventura or a later version, go to the Apple menu, then System Settings, and select Displays. Click the plus icon or the Add Display menu and choose your iPad from the list. Alternatively, you can use the AirPlay icon in the menu bar to select your iPad as a display. Your Mac will then extend or mirror its desktop to the iPad. Once you have connected, you can configure Sidecar settings. Decide whether you want to extend or mirror your Mac display. Extending allows you to drag windows between your Mac and iPad, effectively increasing your workspace. You can also adjust the display arrangement by dragging the iPad's display icon to match its physical position relative to your Mac. This makes moving the cursor between screens seamless. Additionally, you can customize Sidecar options. You can choose to show the sidebar, which provides Mac modifier keys on the iPad. You can also show the touch bar, even if your Mac does not have one. If you use an Apple Pencil, you can enable double tap features for added functionality. Now, let's talk about how to use Sidecar features. You can drag windows from your Mac to your iPad, allowing you to work across two screens. If you have an Apple Pencil, you can use it on the iPad to interact with Mac applications that support stylus input, such as drawing or annotating. The iPad's touchscreen can be used for navigation and input, although it does not support full macOS touch controls. Sidecar is a great example of how the Apple ecosystem integrates its devices. It allows you to extend your Mac's functionality onto your iPad, enhancing productivity without needing additional hardware. Unlike other operating systems, where extending displays usually requires separate external monitors and cables, Apple's continuity features make this process much simpler. In essence, Sidecar turns your iPad into a flexible second display for your Mac. It expands your workspace and introduces new input methods, all within the integrated Apple ecosystem. So, if you want to boost your productivity, give Sidecar a try.